Automated ice cup production line with daily output of 50,000 cups. The factory strictly adheres to the hygienic specification for ready-to-use edible ice standard, establishing comprehensive hygiene safeguards throughout the entire production chain. 3 sets 5 tons cube ice machines making ice cubes. Food-grade stainless steel ice cube tray with copper-clad nickel coating, effectively resistant to acid washing. Machines are durable and stable product quality. High-efficiency heat exchange technology, efficient ice production with rapid ice dropping. Producing ice thickness uniform, aesthetically pleasing and resist melting. All components in contact with ice are constructed from 304 stainless steel and food-grade polyethylene, both of which are low-temperature resistant materials. This ensures hygienic and safe production. Unique volumetric canister design enables efficient and smooth automated ice supply. The ice cup packaging machine has dual heat sealing technology, combined with automatic film cutting and lid pressing, to ensure the integrity of ice cup seals under low temperature conditions. The entire conveyor line matched the ingress protection and constant temperature technology, ensuring zero pollution throughout cup ice production process. Prevent melting and prevents microbial growth. Automated high-efficiency heat shrink film wrapping ensures the safety and hygiene of ice cups. IceSource, CBFI, has expanded its business to over 170 countries and regions worldwide, providing one-stop customized solutions for automated ice production plants.